Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about something called logical operations. And logical operations is a mix between, we're going to learn some Boolean, put some if statements, and some and or, and something called not as well. So let's actually get started. So if I write print and write x is equal to 1, and let's say, sorry, not x, 1 is equal to 1 and run it, is going to give you a value of true. So if I actually do and 2 is equal to 2 and also run that one, I'll get a value of true. But if I write 2 is equal to 3, I'll get a value of false, because and checks both conditions, and it checks to make sure that both conditions are actually being met. And in this statement, it's not actually meeting. But if I write a or and run it, it's going to give me a value of true, because or actually checks if one of the conditions meets, then it will give you a Boolean value of true. And in here, I have this is true, so it didn't even bother checking that one, and it gave me a value of true anyways. There's something else called not. So if I do 1 is equal to 1, this is true. But if I write not, which is I know 1 is equal to 1, it's going to tell me no, you're false. 1 is equal to 1. And also if you write something around these lines, 1 exclamation equal to 1 is exactly the same thing as the word not. So let's actually use all this information that we just learned and put it in something useful. So if I write x is equal to 1 equal to 1, and then I'll write or 2 is equal to 3, and let's do print of the value of x. So if I do this, I'm going to get a value of true. So let me put an if. So if x, and then I'll put a colon, is true, I want you to print this value is true. And then I'll put this in a quotation because that is a string. And run it. I'm gonna get it. Actually, this is true because then this is true. And if when I said is if x is equal to true, which meets that, it did print this value. So if I write an else and put a print as well, it's going to give me some weird error, but if you actually do that, do the indentation correctly, the error will disappear. And as I told you, Python is annoying when it comes to indentation. So whenever I didn't have indentation properly, it gave me that error. So if I run it, same thing will happen, but let's say if I put an and in this condition and write this value is not true. And let's say I run it, I get this value is not true. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and like my videos and like everything. Thank you. All right, have a great day, guys.